against me. Authority to be held against me. Why are you filming this?
Because you might actually shit your pants.
There are some things that need to be filmed.
I'm just exercising.
You're trying very, very hard to fart and admitting that in the process you might actually shit your
I'm
pants.
doing couch crunches. I don't know what you're talking about. And I lost my balance, and that's why I was flailing.
You flail so that you can push it out easier.
Oh my god, this isn't helping either. It's like when I tried to eat 100 Timbits. I felt nauseous, and so I just started doing crunches, and then I didn't feel so bad anymore. But now, oh my god, I might actually be sushi. Oh.